Good morning, and thank you for visiting Westella Computer Expert. In the video that we are going to watch today, we are going to delve into the fascinating and potentially game-changing field of artificial intelligence, with a particular emphasis on ChatGPT, which is one of the most advanced AI language models currently available. However, before we get into ChatGPT, let's take a step back and discuss what it is that we mean when we say artificial intelligence. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the creation of computer systems that are capable of doing activities that would ordinarily need intelligence on par with that of humans. These tasks include learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Now, if you're anything like the majority of people, you're probably wondering what artificial intelligence, AI, has to do with creativity. After all, isn't the capacity for original thought something that is distinctively human? It has recently come to light that artificial intelligence, AI, is truly beginning to play a significant role in the world of creative endeavors and the arts, and ChatGPT is in the vanguard of this movement. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that was developed by OpenAI. It is capable of generating text that is similar to that produced by humans in response to a given prompt. This demonstrates that ChatGPT is capable of understanding natural language input and responding to it in a manner that is analogous to how a person would do so. However, ChatGPT is capable of much more than merely creating text. In addition to this, it is possible to produce creative works of art and music by employing machine learning algorithms to assess the styles of a variety of artists, and then recreating those styles. Actually, ChatGPT has been put to use in the production of literary works such as poetry and short stories, demonstrating the remarkable creative potential of the platform. The potential influence of ChatGPT and other AI language models, however, is not limited to art and creativity in any way. Because technology enables humans and machines to communicate in a way that is both intelligent and effective, artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to change whole industries in the not-too-distant future. These areas include healthcare, transportation, and finance. Naturally, a certain degree of apprehension and anxiety comes along with the introduction of each new technological innovation. Regarding artificial intelligence, one of the most pressing concerns is how technology will influence the labor market. Will artificial intelligence eliminate jobs for people, or will it instead offer new employment opportunities? It's a tricky problem, and one that, as AI grows more pervasive in our everyday lives, will almost certainly continue to be the subject of heated debate. Regardless of the particular outcomes, one thing is certain: the future of artificial intelligence, and more specifically ChatGPT, is going to be tremendously interesting, and it is going to have a big impact not only on the computer business, but also on other industries. Thank you for watching, and make sure to come back for more fantastic material covering everything to do with technology.